Over $26 million worth of AAVE was just transferred by major holders to Binance and Coinbase, raising concerns about a possible sell-off. Blockchain Capital deposited 292 AAVE, while a whale sent 10,008 AAVE to Binance. Both moves signaling increased selling pressure. Such large-scale transfers often precede price volatility, and retail investors are closely watching for the next market move. Major Formula One races in the Middle East are on the brink of cancellation due to ongoing conflict, putting multi-million-dollar crypto sponsorships at risk. The FIA is closely monitoring the situation in Bahrain and Saudi Arabia, as crypto brands already struggle with industry setbacks. These cancellations could further impact the presence of crypto on F1 cars, following high-profile collapses like FTX. Ethereum stands at a crossroads. Is it heading for a liquidity trap or prepping for a breakout? Bitcoin holds strong above $71,000, attracting institutional capital, while XRP gains commodity status after the SEC-FTC agreement, but price remains muted. These shifts highlight the importance of scalability, regulation, and market sentiment for the future of crypto. Tether is shaking up the US crypto scene with its new USAT stablecoin, aiming for a massive $500 billion valuation. Backed by $10 billion in profits and $122 billion in US Treasuries, Tether's expansion comes as BlackRock reports that 90% of Bitcoin ETF investors are holding long-term, signaling a strategic shift in crypto investment behavior. As regulatory support grows and institutions double down, the crypto market is evolving fast, blending traditional finance with blockchain innovation. Tether just put $5.2 million into Arc Labs, aiming to make Bitcoin programmable for payments, lending, and escrow. The company's profits hit $10 billion in 2025, fueling expansion into AI, energy, and media. With a new CIO and a potential $500 billion valuation, Tether is pushing stablecoins beyond their old limits. Ethereum just got a Wall Street makeover. BlackRock's new iShares Staked Ethereum Trust ETF lets investors earn monthly staking rewards without managing crypto wallets. The ETF stakes up to 95% of its Ether, offers a 0.12% introductory fee, and pays out about 82% of staking rewards after an 18% service cut. This move positions ETH as a yield asset for traditional portfolios, bridging DeFi and mainstream finance. When 500 trillion SHIB landed in Vitalik Buterin's wallet, what happened next changed the meme coin landscape. In 2021, he sold part of the SHIB for ETH, donating the proceeds to Crypto Relief India and Future of Life Institute, and burned about 410 trillion SHIB to permanently reduce supply. This move not only supported global charities, but also set a precedent for handling massive meme token allocations. A massive $150 million USDC transfer by Trend Research to Binance is sending shockwaves through the crypto market. The firm borrowed 27,000 ETH, worth about $57 million, after a historic $747 million loss, then quickly moved the ETH to Binance, hinting at aggressive trading or risk management. Such large-scale moves can trigger volatility and are closely watched by traders seeking signals in Ethereum's price and liquidity. MicroStrategy just snapped up another 17,994 Bitcoin, pushing its total holdings to over 738,000 BTC and reinforcing its lead as the top corporate holder. This aggressive accumulation, funded by STRC preferred stock, signals ongoing institutional demand and could tighten supply before the market even reacts. For Bitcoin, it's like a vending machine with fewer snacks left. Each big buy means less available, and the price pressure builds up quietly. When Binance delisted 21 altcoins in a single move, some tokens crashed by more than 80% within hours. The world's largest crypto exchange's decision slashed market liquidity and triggered sharp price drops for coins like FST and BNB Car. This event highlights the outsized influence major exchanges have on token survival and investor risk in the crypto ecosystem. Facing a potential oil shock from the Iran conflict, Sky DeFi Protocol has slashed its daily buyback program by 87%. The buybacks drop from $300,000 to $37,600 per day for the next 3 months. This move aims to reinforce the reserves backing USDS and DAI stablecoins as their supply grows, while Sky's surplus buffer remains flat at $50 million. North Korean IT operatives secretly funneled nearly $800 million in crypto through U.S. companies to fund weapons programs. The U.S. Treasury sanctioned 6 individuals and 2 firms, freezing assets and warning global exchanges about compliance risks. Investigators found the network used stolen identities, malware, and multi-chain wallets across Ethereum, Tron, and Bitcoin.